12. You want to see how that factors into two binomials. The second sign tells you that you'll have the same signs in both of the brackets. The first sign tells you what kind of sign or what you're looking for when they add up together. So these are the same sign, and I'm going to want them to be plus. The first term is x squared, so that's going to be an x and an x. The second term is 12, so I'm looking for something that multiplies together to give me 12, but adds up to give me 7. What do you have? What do you think?
2 times 6.
2 times 6. Okay, 2 and 6. So we're going to check to see that all the parts work. So x times x, that's my x squared. 2 times 6 is 12. And then we're going to check the middles. So plus 2 times x is 2x. And x times 6 is 6x. So in the middle, I have 8x, so that's too large, that's not going to work. So I'll try again with the same setup, and I'm just going to change the 2 and the 6. So what else do you want to try? That can multiply to give me 12, but add up to give me 7, hopefully. 3 and 4, okay, so 3 and 4. The order doesn't matter since they're both pluses. So x times x, x squared. 3 times 4, 12. Three times x, 3x. X times 4, 4x. Okay, and my middles add up to be 7x, which is what I need. So then this is my actual answer. X plus 3 times x plus 4. That's the factored version. Okay, another one. X squared minus 6x plus 5. The second sign tells you that they'll both be the same sign. The first sign tells you want them to add up to be negative. So they both have to be negative if I wanted to add up to be a negative number. X and X. And what am I going to try for 5 to multiply to give me 5, but add up to give me negative 6? Not many choices with the 5. Negative 5 and negative 1. Okay, so negative 5 and negative 1. Negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. This is good. X times x is x squared. So I'm just checking my middles. Minus 5 times x minus 5x. X times minus 1 minus x. And together minus 6x. Okay. So x minus 5 times x minus 1 is the factored form. 3 minus 4t plus t squared. Anything look off with that? I can factor it this way, but I don't like to. So I'm gonna write it in the reverse order, the way that it looks kind of like more normal to me, with the exponent and the variable first and the 3 being last. I'm just gonna take note of their signs. So I start with a positive t squared. So t squared minus 4t minus 4t plus 3. And that doesn't change any values of any of those things, so I'm okay to factor it. T and t gives me t squared. The plus and the second sign tells me that both of my signs have to be the same. I want them to add up to negative, so they'll both need to be negative. What am I gonna try for this number here? Multiply to give me 3, but add up to give me -4. Oh yeah, that's a good one. -3 times -1 is +3. This is already t squared. And then we check our middles, minus t and minus 3t. That's minus 14. So this is our answer here, t minus 1 times t minus 3.